I invite you to close your eyes if you wish and begin by taking a moment to be aware of any thoughts or feelings you may be experiencing right now. Acknowledging how things are for you right now. And when you're ready, begin to bring your awareness to your body. Feeling your feet, legs, lower and upper body, arms, shoulders, neck, and your head. And when you're ready, you might bring to mind the image of a person who you know or you've known in your life to be loving and kind to you. Someone who easily evokes feelings of warmth and love. It could be a spouse, a partner, parent, family member, a mentor or close friend. Someone who has been good to you, helps you feel safe and whole, whose caring easily emanates from them to you. And imagine saying to them, may you be happy, healthy, and whole. May you have love, warmth, and affection. May you be protected from harm and free from fear. May you experience inner peace and ease. Taking a few minutes now to feel how it is to wish these things to them, letting yourself have the sense of the wishes for well-being emanating from you to them, connecting you to them, noticing how it feels inside as you send these wishes of well-being to this person you love or care about. When you're ready, see if you can imagine this person wishing the very same things for you, knowing that they have your well-being in their heart. And imagine them saying to you, may you be happy, healthy, and whole. May you have love, warmth, and affection in your life. May you be protected from harm and free from fear. And may you experience inner peace and ease. Letting these feelings wash over you, feeling their unconditional love and caring for you, letting the feelings of love and safety grow in you, knowing there is nothing you have to do to deserve these feelings and wishes. They're given freely and without condition. Now see if you can have these wishes for yourself, hearing yourself say to yourself, may I be happy and healthy and loved. May I be safe and protected. May I be alive and free. May I experience inner peace and ease. You might even find that it's possible to expand these thoughts to acquaintances, people you know but don't have a personal relationship with, neighbors, even people you don't have strong feelings about. This could include a salesperson at the grocery store. And you would say to these people, may you be happy and healthy and loved. May you be safe and protected, free from suffering. And may you have inner peace and ease. Even if these wishes aren't infused with the same warmth and love that they were with the loved ones, wish them to have aliveness and love in their lives. Remembering the circle that began with yourself and the persons you love the most, family, friends, and extending that circle to include all the many people you don't know who may be far away in other countries or cultures. Say to them, may you be happy and healthy. May you have peace and ease. May you have love and warmth in your life. As this meditation comes to an end, take time to appreciate and feel what has been generated through this practice. And when you are ready, letting yourself feel again your physical presence, sensations of your body, feet, the seat, upper torso, neck, and head. Beginning to notice the movement of your own breath, bringing aliveness and nourishment to your body as a whole. Just as your wishes of good will bring aliveness and nourishment to those around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes and return to this room, awake, energized, and calm.